Hello viewers, today I am going to continue exercise 5.2 of AP class 10. Question number 8. First of all, an AP consists of 50 terms, third term is 12 and the last term is 106. Find its 29th term. So third term, it means A3, 12 and last term is 106, and this AP has 50 terms, therefore 50th term is 106. Now general term of an AP, an a plus n minus 1 into d. By using this formula for third term, a3 a plus 2d equal to 12, and 50th term a plus 49d equal to 106. So now we solve this equation for a and d. Because coefficient of a is same, so we use eliminating method. Just subtract, then change. This is first equation, this is second equation. Subtract, change the sign, a gets cancelled, 2d minus 49d minus 47d, 12 minus 106, it is minus 94, minus to minus you can cancel, shift this 47 to right hand side, 94 upon 47, 47 to the 94, therefore d is 2. Put this value of d in first or second equation. To find a, put in first, put in equation 1, a plus 2 into 2 equal to 12, a plus 4 equal to 12. This implies a is 12 minus 4, 8. So we get the value of a and d from these two equations. Now we have to find out 29th term. 29th term means a29, formula for which is a plus 28d. Put value of a and d, 8, 28 in place of d 2, 8 plus 56, it is 64. So this is the answer. 29th term is 64. Now come to question number 9. If third term and ninth terms of an AP are 4 and minus 8, which terms of AP is 0? लगभग क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 की तरह ही है. When two terms of an AP are given, first of all we find the value of a and d by the two equations. So in this question, third term is 4, it means a3 4. Ninth term is minus 8, it means a9 minus 8. Ninth term formula by general term, a plus 8d is minus 8. This is equation 1. Third term formula, a plus 2d equal to 4. This is second term. Again solving this equation for a and d. Subtract, change the sign, then a get cancelled, 8d minus 2d 6d, minus 8 minus 4 it is minus 12. So shift this 6 to right hand side, it goes to denominator. 12 divided by 6, 6 to the 12, therefore d is minus 2. Putting this value of d in either of the two equations, we get a. Putting in first equation or second equation, we put in equation 2, a plus 2d, a plus 2 in place of d minus 2 equal to 4. A minus 4 equal to 4, therefore a is 4. Shift this minus 4 to right hand side, we get a is equal to 8. Now come to the question, which term of AP is 0? The question is which term of this AP is 0, as we done in last question. Let nth term is 0. Let nth term of this AP an is 0. Now we have to find out the value of n. Nth term 0, it means a plus n minus 1 into d equal to 0. Putting value of A 8, value of D it is minus 2 equal to 0. First of all, shift this 8 to right hand side. N minus 1 into minus 2 equal to minus 8. Now shift this minus 2 to right hand side. It goes to denominator. Minus to minus cancel. 2 4 are 8. N minus 1 is 4. So N is 4 plus 1. It is 5. So answer is fifth term of this AP is 0. Now come to question number 10. 17th term of an AP exceeds its 10th term by 7. Find the common difference. First of all, write this expression in form of equation. 17th term, it means A17 exceeds 10th term, it means A10 by 7, so it means plus 7. 17th term exceeds its 10th term by 7. We write it in mathematical form, equation form. 17th term A17 exceed its 10th term A10 by 7. So plus 7 exceeds करना तो plus करेंगे equal to. Now 17th term formula for 17th term it is A plus 16D. Formula for 10th term it is A plus 9D plus 7. You see there is A on both left and right hand side, so cancel them with the same sign there, so we can cancel them. Shift this 9D to right, from right to left side. 16D minus 9D equal to 7. 16 minus 9D is 7D equal to 7. Therefore D is 7 upon 7. D is 1. Common difference. This is the answer of this question. Common difference of any grammar. Now come to question number 11, which is very important. This question is very important. Which term of this AP 3, 15, 27, 39 up to so on will be 132 more than its 54th term? Which term is 132 more than 54th term? First of all, we let nth term be 132 more than 54th term. So write this sentence in mathematical equation form. Nth term means an more than 54th term. It means A54 by 132. Just like as in this question number 10. Make an equation. Nth term an is 132 more than 54th term. We can write like this. Now nth term formula A plus n minus 1 into D. 54th term formula A plus 53D plus 132. You can cancel A on the both side. Now from question you see first term A is 3 and common difference B you can find out. 15 minus 3 it is 12. So put the value of D in this equation. N minus 1 into D 12. Right hand side 53 into 12 plus 132. Now solve right hand side first of all. 53 into 12 you get 12 3 is 36, that is 2, 636 plus 132. So this is 768. N minus 1 into 12 is equal to 768. Shift this 12 to right hand side. It goes to denominator. 12, 768 divided by 12, you get 64. So n minus 1 is equal to 64. So n is 64 plus 1, 65. So in this way, we can find out this question. Answer is 65th term is 132 more than its 54th term. Now, question number 12. Two APs have same common difference. In this question, there are two APs having same common difference, and the difference between their 100 terms is 100. What is the difference between their 1000 first of all, there are two APs. Let A small a first term of first AP and capital A first term of second AP, and let D be their common difference. D is common difference of both APs. Now question is given is difference between their 100 terms is 100. We assume capital A is greater than small a. So 100 term of first AP, 100 term of first AP or second AP minus 100 term of first AP. This is equal to 100. This is given. The difference between their 100 terms is 100. It means 100 term of second AP minus 100 term of first AP is equal to 100. Formula for 100 term by using general term, an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. 100 term for the second AP is a plus 99d, and 100 term for the first AP is a plus 99d. Small a यहाँ पर है और this is capital A first term. It is equal to 100. So open this bracket. Minus a minus 99d is equal to 100. 99d cancel. We get a minus a equal to 100. This is our equation number 1. Now we have to find out the difference between their 1000 term. So 1000 term of first AP minus 1000 term of second AP. 1000 term of first AP formula will be capital A plus 999d minus 1000 term of second AP formula will be small a plus 999d. Open this bracket. Minus a minus 999d. 999d get cancelled. What is that? A minus a. Again from equation 1, a minus a is what? 100. So this is the answer. It is 100. 100 will be the difference between their 1000 term as it was between their 100 term. Now come to question number 13. How many 3-digit numbers are divisible by 7? So first of all, we know that 3-digit numbers begin from 100 to 999. First of all, make a sequence. Which number are divisible by 7? 3-digit number, first number which is divisible by 7 is 105. First of all, sequence divisible by 7 of 3-digit numbers. This is 105. Next, by adding 7, 112. Next, by adding 7, 119. And the last number, how can you find out? Divide 999 by 7. It is 7 1 ja, remainder is 2, 29. It is 7 4 ja, 28. This is 119. It is 7 2 ja, 14. Remainder is 5. So last number which is divisible by 7 of 3 digit is 999 minus this remainder 5. 994 is the last number which is divisible by 7. Now this is the sequence of numbers which are divisible by 7 of 3-digit numbers. Now we have to find out how many they are. कितने हैं ये number? The question becomes, first term is given. Now you can see it is an AP. A is 105. D you can calculate 112 minus 105 7. You can see the last term is given now 994. last term 994. Last term, let nth term is 994. A plus n minus 1 into d is 994. So we let nth term with the last term. An is 994. A plus n minus 1 into d is 994. Now we have to find n from this equation. We have a and d. Put the value of a 105, n minus 1, value of d 7, 994. 105. Shift this 105 to right hand side. 994 minus 105. What you get? 9 and 4, 105. You subtract this. This is 9, 8, 889. N minus 1 into 7. Shift this 7 to right hand side is both in denominator. Divide this 889 by 7. 7 1 this is 7, remainder 1, 18, this is 2, 14, remainder is 4, 9, 7. So this is 127. So n is 127. Shift this 1 to right hand side plus 1. N is 128. So answer is 128 terms. There are 128 terms of 3 digits which are divisible by 7. Similar type of question is question number 14. How many multiples of 4 lie between 10 and 100? Must note that here is a word lie between. So we cannot include 10 and 250. We have to see in between them. So first of all, write the sequence of numbers which are multiples of 4 between 10 and 250. You can see first number is 12. Multiples of 4 between 10 and 250 are first is 12, then by adding 4, 16, then 20, and then last will be 250 divided by 4. You can check. This is remainder is 2, 250 minus 2, 248 will be the number which is divisible by 4. Now it is the same as this question number 13. A is given 12, D is 16 minus 12, 4, and let nth term an is 248. Now we have to find out n. Nth term formula a plus n minus 1 into d 248. Put the value of a 12. Put the value of d 4. Take this 12 to right hand side. 248 minus 12, it is 236. Now take this 4 to right hand side. It goes in denominator. It is 59. So now n is 59 plus 1. N is 60. So answer, there are 60 terms between 10 and 250 which are multiple of 4. Now question number 15 is also very important. For what value of n? Nth terms of these two APs 63, 65, 67 up to so on, and 3, 10, 17 up to so on are equal. Two APs are given. One is 63, 65, 67. Let the first term be A, 63, and common difference D is 65 minus 63, 2. For second AP, 3, 10, 17 up to so on. First term is 3, that is denoted by capital A, it is 3, and common difference D by capital D, 10 minus 3, it is 7. Now question is, in these two APs, nth terms are equal and we have to find n. Nth term for first AP, nth term of first AP is equal to nth term of second AP. Formula for nth term will be A plus n minus 1 into d for first AP, second AP A plus n minus 1 into d. N is same in both these equations. A and D are different. Put the values of A and D. A is 63 plus n minus 1 into d 2. Now capital A is 3, n minus 1 into d is 7. Now solve this equation for n. 63 plus 2n minus 2, 3 plus 7n minus 7. 63 minus 2, 61 plus 2n, 2 minus 7, it is minus 4. Now take all the terms of n on the same side, shift this 2n to right side and 4 to left. 61 plus 4, 7n minus 2n. 65 equal to 5n. 65 upon 5 equal to n. Therefore n is equal to 13. So answer is only 13. N is 13. For 13 terms of these two APs are equal. Thank you.